What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, C-Zar Gets Crypto. We are talking about Bluzelle today. I want to try to keep this thing quick and concise, so without any further ados, let's get into the TA. Looking at this thing, my last video that I was making, it was somewhere around here, and I was just saying that, this is, while we are moving up, and that might seem exciting, all this is just a lower high, so don't get too excited yet. I do think that Bluzelle has lower to go. We likely will go somewhere, again, I think, what did I say? It was like around 9 point something cents. Around like 9 point, no, that's not right. Sorry, this year. Around 9.7 to 10.1 cents, somewhere in that area, around the 618 to 0.69. But ultimately, guys, we really could see lower prices all the way down to about 7.6 to about 7 to 7.6 cents. I currently do have a buy order at 9.7 cents right now, but that's neither here nor there. I feel like I've talked about that enough already. So looking at this thing on the 4 hour to kind of keep it more relevant to the current update that I want to give is that on this 4 hour candle, which we just closed about 7 minutes ago, we had a bearish candle that actually closed lower than this previous 4 hour. I do think that this is indicative that we are on our way down. This is not the low. We are going to go lower. And all we have on this whole way down is just lower highs, and potentially after this, we will have a lower low. This purple line right now is coming in at about 9.3 cents, somewhere right around there. As we develop, as we continue to move down slowly, it looks like this line will come up, maybe around 9.7. We might see a bounce there. Let's just see if this thing is showing respect on it. Yeah, you can see some respect. You got a rejection here, support, support, rejection here, little disrespect there, support there. Some support with disrespect, but support. So I would say that this line is respected. I don't think that we're going to get a move that bounces directly off of this line, but I do think we'll get a move that bounces somewhere around it, if not directly off it. But I wouldn't expect directly off it. I would expect somewhere around it, not too far away from it. But as the 4 hour candles grow, this thing too will grow. And again, that could take us around 9.7 cents. We might see some kind of a bounce there, more of a major bounce like this one here. And that could just promote another lower high, at which, maybe from buying there to selling at where it might bounce to, if we were to see, that could be like a 15% pump. And that might be a nice move to kind of secure, sell. And then we probably will go lower. At first, for a while there, or not for a while, but for like the past few days, I've been considering that prices would go around this 618 to 69 area. And as we're developing just the overall kind of, I would say, trajectory of crypto itself, I'm kind of expecting that we might see this 618 to 69 area. And that's nothing to be scared of. Yes, it's a huge drop from top to bottom. That is a drop of 50 to 55%. This is crypto though, man. Things like that happen and it bounces back quickly, especially with the market cap of this one. I think this one's at like 55 million or something like that. Let's look at it here. BLZ, something like that. Number 407 on the market cap, 45 million, so even less. So these kind of moves can take place and recover very quickly. We do have the most volume we've ever seen. It doesn't look like it on Coinbase here, but BLZ USDT on Binance, this is the most volume that we've ever seen in 1 month at all. And I think having a regular retracement isn't anything bad to be worried about. All in all, from this low to this high here, that would around 7.6 to 7 cents, somewhere around there, that still would be a higher low. You even have like a previous area, if we were to put it down at this 6.9 area right here, you do have I'm going to get rid of the fibs here too. You do have a top right here, support right here, resistance right here, support. So it is a line of relevance, and I would look for that or somewhere around there, maybe just a little bit above that actually is what I'm kind of expecting. So, but again, in the meantime, looking at this 4 hour and how we have closed a lower 4 hour than we have throughout this whole range coming down, with lower highs involved, I would expect that this is not the low. We do go lower, and that'll probably take place, over the coming weeks. So if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more. I'm definitely excited about this thing. I think it's got great potential in it. It is in my opinion, a 1,000xable coin from this price. Yes, a 1,000x. That means, and I'm not kidding, you could take $100 investment and turn it into $100,000. It's insane. I know it sounds insane. We'll see you in 2 years to see how crazy it sounds. But all in all, in the meantime, before that, I do think we go down a little bit of a ways before pursuing higher highs. So that's all I got for you. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.